Hello guys, how's going? Have you ever faced a problem with the layer properties in viewports where it is not taking its original properties? Have you ever wondered why the color of the layers in the viewport doesn't match what it in the layer properties? Today we're gonna figure out and find out how to match the layers colors to be shown in the layout viewport. Let's get started. First of all, we got this drawing. It is for some places in Oman, North Al-Batina. This drawing just shows multiple layers. All layers it has like different colors, and there's some blocks with the different colors, but those layers are not like matches what the originally set up to be in the layer properties. For example, if I would like to make some new template, okay, so we got our title block. Now we just double click here, then by the scroll mouse wheel double click until we get the drawing. This is actually the main drawing. It it has so many things here. I need all these viewports to be like gray or black. The way to do that, just while I'm clicking on this viewport, I'm going to the layer properties, then going to the viewport here, viewport freeze, viewport color. I would click like Control A for all, then I'm gonna choose any colors here and just put it to be gray. Okay, so the viewport's color should be gray for all these viewports here, but we can figure out there is like more than colors here. There is like yellow, there is green, there is purple. Now how I make sure that all the layers just be set up by its properties? I want to apply the layer color properties over all these layers. The first steps, just I should go to the models, and the models, right click, going to the quick select, I choose color not equal by layers. So it's gonna include a new selection. It's gonna select all the layers that doesn't matches its original color by the layers. Then okay. Now just choose all the layers. See, you can see these layers. It's not included. It matches the layer colors. This two. Now I selected all the layers that doesn't matches the original layers properties. Then going to the properties or control 1. Going to the color, I choose by layer. Enter. There is some another layers that in green. I go to the model, I go to the models, then I write apply set by layer, setting colors. I would like to be all like by, just I'm gonna choose the color. Okay, choose all, enter. change by block to by layer. Yes, include blocks. Yeah, here we go. So now it goes to by layer for all the layers here. Can you imagine how could this just make our life so much easier? So we got two things right now in order to make the layers to be matches the layers properties and colors. The first thing, you need to right click, then quick select, then colors not equal by layer, then it's gonna choose whatever here, then you change it from here by layer, then set up by layer, then going to apply the layer properties over all things including the block itself. Now we're gonna take another application here. For here, let's just double click, and I would like to change something here by color. I mean, I would stand out some places here. It is wadis here, wadis. Can you just, it is wadis. I would like to change it to by, not by layers, by colors itself. This is, I make it stand out. Now for here, I just double click. This is viewport, guys. Double click, then mouse wheel, double click, then going down here. For this place, I would like all the viewport to be in different colors, like viewport. Choose here, control all, then choose like I'm gonna choose red. Who's care? Here we go. So everything changed here to yellow since I apply the layers to be matches for the by layers colors. Is this clear, guys? This is gonna make like a difference if you work every day for the AutoCAD. And have a good night, have a good day. Thank you.